Welcome guys once again. So we have gone through basic of parameterization and data driven testing. Okay, now we'll see what are the different way to achieve parameterization. So basically there are two ways by which we can achieve the parameterization with the help of parameters annotation and TestNg.xml file, and by using data provider. So most widely used will be what? Data provider. So we can achieve this parameterization by using TestNg also and WebDriver also. So what we will be discussing today is using TestNg. So how we can achieve parameterization or data driven testing using TestNg. Perfect. So we'll see first how we can achieve by using parameterization, annotation and TestNg.xml. Then we'll go for data provider. Cool. Before going for parameterization, we'll see without parameter how test will look like and why we need parameter. Perfect. So let's go to basic example. So I have very basic example here. So I have one test without parameter. Okay, so here suppose I have to test the same Facebook page, same Facebook page with a different input, different username, valid username, invalid password, valid username, incorrect password, valid username, in null password. Okay, then invalid username and valid password. So multiple test data basically, right? So how you will test as of now, because I don't know how parameterization will work. So I'll write, I'll create different method. Okay, then I'll pass different test input. Okay, like that, right? So suppose I have created one test method. Okay, add the test annotation, TestNg simple. Okay, then I'll just I'm writing user and password, which will be taking from here. So I'm passing to string basically. Okay, directly also I can pass here. So in each test what I'm doing is I'm doing hard coding and I'm passing the test data here in this field, right? Again, if I want another test data, I need to create a separate test method which will increase our line. Okay, code line actually. Okay, it will increase number of lines in our test script. So now I'll pass something called test data 4, or you can say the third. So password third, which will be null. Okay, so we'll be passing password 3 here. Okay, perfect. So if I want one more text field, one more input to be tested, again I need to get one more method and add the test, right? So multiple set of method I have to create, and I have to pass the input. So it will be very lengthy and complex, you can see here, right? So method will be keep increasing, and lines of code, number of lines in our script will be keep increasing. Okay, that is not good practice as per automation engineer, okay, or automation testing. So if I'll run this, see what will happen. So basically if I'll run this, so let me run this. So okay, so we'll see that part. So basically what will happen, this all the test will be executed, and it will be same hard coding, whatever test data we have, it will pass and it will check for the output. Okay, simple. Perfect. Here after that we can put assertion also. So that is very basic of TestNg, which we have already gone through how to put assertion and all. So this is very basic level. Okay, now how parameterization will work. So I should write only one test. I should write only one test, and this test I can pass multiple set of data in the same test, and I should be able to use this. I should be able to achieve multiple execution with the same data. Okay, so same method will be there and will be executed with different set of data. It's nothing but parameterization or data driven testing, which we have already know. Okay, now we'll see how we can achieve using parameterization, parameterization annotation plus testng.xml file. Okay, so let's see. Now we'll write a different class where we'll see how we can achieve with parameterization. Okay, let's see you in the next.